Let's talk about an agricultural trade show using the verb to be in basic verbs. Do you remember the verb to be?
I am.
You are. You are.
He is.
She is. She is.
It is.
We are. You are.
They are.
Tell me the positive and the negative of the verb to be.
I am.
I'm not.
You are.
You are.
He is.
He is.
She is.
She is.
It is.
It is. We are.
We are.
You are.
You are.
He is.
He isn't.
She is.
He isn't.
It is.
It isn't.
We are.
We are.
You are.
You are.
They are.
They are.
They are.
They are. They are.
Is there an agricultural fair called Feaga?
Yes,
There is.
What is there at Feaga?
there are animals.
Are there sheep, goats, cows, and pigs at Feaga?
Yes,
There
are
are.
there witches at Feaga? No, there aren't. Where is Feaga?
It is in Pozo Negro.
What food do you see at Feaga?
I see tomatoes, cheese, and olive oil.
Do you like Feaga?
Yes, I do.
Does your mommy like Feaga?
Yes, she does.
What does your teacher like at Feaga?
She likes the tomatoes.
Do you know the gay goat?
To back up.
Yes, I do.
No.
I don't. Are you going to go to Feaga this year?
Yes, I am.
No, I'm not.
Are the pigs pink and sometimes black?
Yes.
They are
What color are the sheep?
at Feaga.
They are white.
And sometimes black.
What do cows give us?
They give us milk.
Is Feaga fun? Yes.
It is.
Tell me some of the things